Dead gangster identified as one of 3 suspects in a $20 million robbery and double murder in Montego Bay.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
One of the 2 men who were killed in a reported shootout with a police team in Belmont, St. James on Tuesday afternoon, March 12, has been identified as the reputed leader of the Dean's Lane gang, which has been operating in and around the parish of St. James for some time. 36-year-old Kayon Wellington, otherwise called Scatta of Belmont and Chovy in St. James, was implicated in the vicious double murder and robbery that was committed on Jarrett Street in Montego Bay on Sunday morning, March 10, which claimed the lives of 61-year-old security guard Canute Earl and 41-year-old driver Floyd Wilson. A large sum of cash in the region of $20 million was taken from a businessman during the attack. Wellington's criminal activities date back to 2003, when he became a person of interest in relation to a number of crimes including robberies, wounding with intent, shootings and murders in St. James. Wellington was also implicated in the murders of Kenil Richards in 2013 in Belmont, the January 2018 murder of Kevin Linder on McCarthy Street in Montego Bay, and the 2019 murders of Omar Watkins and Lloyd Johnson on Barnett Street, also in Montego Bay. In a release, the police named O'Dane Brown, otherwise called Bummy Squeeze, and a man known only as Tickerus, as alleged co-conspirators with Wellington in the robbery and murders on Jarrett Street. Investigators are appealing to both men to turn themselves in immediately. Wellington was shot dead alongside Ali Hall, who was also of Belmont District, in an incident in which 2 handguns were also reportedly seized. Reports are that about 3 p.m. on Tuesday, a police patrol team went to a house in the Belmont community, where they were greeted with gunfire. The police said the fire was returned and a shootout ensued. Following the alleged gunfight, Wellington and Hall were found suffering from gunshot wounds and were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. The police said other men ran from the house and escaped in bushes during the shootout. The Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM, has commenced a probe into the incident.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.